You've probably heard this take. Windows Remote Desktop is the best remote desktop for Windows. It's built in. And sometimes that's 100% true. But sometimes RDP is the reason you're on minute 30 of can you open your router settings. So today we're doing a comparison the way IT people actually think about it. Not which app is best, but which connection model fits your environment. Here's the framework. 3 axes. Number 1, performance. Latency and image quality under real bandwidth. Number 2, reachability. Can you connect through NAT and firewalls without extra infrastructure? And number 3, operational overhead. Setup, reconnect flow, and how often it breaks in the field. Most tools win 1 axis, maybe 2. Let's see where RDP wins and where the popular apps win. If your setup looks like this, you're remoting onto your own Windows PC. You control the network, Office, Home Lab, Corporate VPN, and you can rely on VPN/RD Gateway/proper access controls. Then, RDP is a beast. It's efficient, and for Windows to Windows, it is super responsive. Not just because Microsoft made it, it's because of how it talks to your hardware. While most apps capture your screen like a video and stream the pixels back to you, RDP is native. It sends actual drawing instructions, which makes the input feel tight. Where it scores high, performance. Input feels tight, keyboard shortcuts behave properly, and stability on controlled networks. Predictable behavior and fewer moving parts. And cost and availability. It's already in Windows Pro and Enterprise. Where people get burned, reachability and security shortcuts. If making RDP work means opening ports to the public internet, stop. That's not a productivity hack, that's an incident waiting to happen. If you're going RDP, the adult setup usually looks like a VPN or RD gateway instead of raw internet exposure. NLA enabled. Strong authentication and MFA on the identity layer where possible. Sensible account controls, no shared admin logins. So RDP undisputably wins performance, but it expects you to bring some network skills. Now let's talk about the popular apps category. There's AnyDesk and TeamViewer style tools, Chrome Remote Desktop, and Support First tools. These exist for one reason, reachability with minimal setup. They typically work by brokering connections through relay infrastructure, NAT traversal, and fallback paths, meaning you don't need router access, you don't need a VPN, and you're less likely to get stuck at, it works just on my network. That's why they often win for helping family, freelancers supporting clients, teams that need connect from anywhere reliability. Where they score high, reachability. It works across hostile networks more often. Operational overhead. Faster first session and fewer networking steps. Recovery. If something fails, there's usually a simpler plan B than reconfigure the Office firewall. In that support first lane, HelpWire is a strong option when the job is remote assistance, not building a full enterprise access stack. Why it's good in this comparison. Low overhead to start sessions, good for support workflows. Solid day-to-day remote control for troubleshooting. Useful when you're repeatedly supporting the same endpoints. And the cons. It's not an RMM. You're not getting patching, scripting, or inventory management built in. If your organization needs deep enterprise governance, complex policies, or strict on-prem only requirements, you may need heavier platforms. And if you're 100% in a controlled network and chasing max native feel, RDP is still a sure win performance-wise. So HelpWire isn't a definitive pick in every scenario. It's best when you value quick access and easy setup in a remote desktop, over building network infrastructure. Here's the fast pick. Use RDP if you control the environment. You can do VPN/RD gateway properly. You care most about performance and native feel. Use a support first remote tool if you don't control the router. You support non-technical users. You need works from anywhere more than maximum native. So RDP versus popular apps, who wins? Write your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.